All right, let's dive into one of the most powerful statements in the entire Quran.
This verse sounds incredibly definitive, doesn't it? Like a final moment in religious history. But that raises a big question. How can something timeless be perfected on just one day?
To really get what perfected means, we gotta look at what came before this moment.
See, the idea isn't starting from zero, but completing something that was already in progress.
Yeah, the Quran wasn't just dropped into a void. It was building on an ancient foundation.
Take the command for prayer. The Arabic implies the prayer, a specific one they already knew.
So, core practices like prayer and the pilgrimage, they weren't new. They were already there.
And this continuity goes even further, right to the prophets themselves, forming an unbroken chain.
Their role wasn't to cancel previous messages, but to confirm and build upon that same core truth.
The story of Abraham really brings this idea of continuity to life. Check this out.
So the Kaaba already existed, and his mission was to establish prayer there, way before Muhammad.
Okay, so if the foundation was already there, what does completion actually mean here?
The key is in the specific Arabic word used, ikmal. It means bringing something to its final form.
Think of it like building a house. The foundation was there, the pillars were up, the Quran completed it.
This really reframes the Quran's role. It's not a brand new religion, but a final stage.
So you have one single universal message, and the Quran is its final, protected version.
Which leaves us with a big thought. Is this the final chapter in one single story for all humanity?